So this happened today. For everybody who's been following my 1973 240Z build, you know the last thing that I need to get it out on the road and start driving is to replace the dash that I cracked a few months back after spending over 2 weeks and $200 in materials. Let's just say that's something that I'm not willing to do again.
Hey. Damn. Damn.
After doing a bit of research, I came across a company up in Northern California called Vintage Dashes. They offer a full reproduction of the 240Z dash, and I believe they're working on prototypes for the 510 and 280Z cars as well.
Hey. Oh.
At first look, I definitely have to say I was impressed. The first thing I noticed when I opened the box was the texture of the vinyl that was used in the reproduction. I love the way they tried to keep it as consistent as possible with the same texture and materials that were used back in the early 70s. And then when I took the dash all the way out of the box, I was really excited to see all the little minute details that were used back in the day. Everything from the indentations to just the line work. I think they did a really good job with this reproduction. I love that even though these are a reproduction, they still try to give you the same feel and appearance of the dashes from back in the day. They didn't go too extreme and try to give you something brand new. They gave you a vintage look for a vintage car. I can't wait to get this thing in my 240Z and get it out on the road.